Congratulations on the purchase of your new dishwasher.
To make sure you have an outstanding delivery experience, please ensure the following before our arrival. You should walk the path you suspect we will need to take. Ensure every doorway and aisle is wide enough and clear of any debris or obstacles. Verify there's a 3-prong 110-volt electrical outlet within reach of the appliance power cord, typically about 4 feet. Make sure that your water shutoff valve is under the sink or behind your existing dishwasher. Confirm your shutoff valve is corrosion-free, in good working condition, has a metal connection, and requires no plumbing alterations to connect our parts.
Some older CPVC plumbing can sometimes become brittle over time and crack or break. As a precaution, anytime we hook up water, we attempt to shut off the water main in case a pipe breaks, mitigating water damage.
You must purchase a new dishwasher connection kit for your appliance. We are unable to use existing connection parts for new appliance installations.
Is the location of your dishwasher next to your sink? If not, it may require a drain line extension. Please inform your associate of the type of countertop you have and if your floor has recently been replaced.
The floor beneath your dishwasher should be level, and there should be no obstruction to the front legs of the unit when installed.
If you've requested that we haul away your old appliance, please make sure that it's empty.
We'll see you soon with your new dishwasher.